All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to take you through how to make an account page. The first thing I want to do is actually make a little submenu that's going to be on the page just to filter between each of the sections. So first we'll go to Appearance and Block Patterns, and we're going to say Add Pattern. Call this Account Menu. You can keep it synced if you want. And then I'm going to add a WPVS horizontal nav, and this is just a pattern that comes with our theme, and it's essentially just a bunch of buttons that you can style. The first one I'm going to make is My List. Continue watching. And this one is actually going to be billing. This link I'm going to make it link to account/my list. Account my list. I'm going to do an anchor tag on these. This is going to be the same, but it's going to be continue watching. Actually, that should not be in there. This one. Okay, and then this one is going to be account billing, and this is actually going to be a different page. Now, these are just buttons, right? So if you want to, you can actually style these. You can change the colors, give that one a background, right? And I'll just publish this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Pages. I'm going to go to the account page, edit, and then I'll just add a group. Actually, I'm going to add a heading first. Let's group all of this actually. Yeah, I am going to group it. Okay, so give it a, and then that pattern that we just made, account menu, I'm going to add that to the page. Hit save. Now below these, I am going to add a few different slider sections. So let's see. Actually, you know what? We're going to do grids instead of sliders. So I'm going to add a WPVS video grid. I'm going to set this to my list. And then within that, I'm going to add the default WPVS thumbnail. And actually, I'm going to add a heading before that. Put my list. Give this a little bit of padding. I'm going to duplicate this. Actually, so remember on these, we added those anchor tags. So on this group block, I actually want to add that in HTML anchor. I'm going to put my list. And then I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to change this to continue watching. And then, I'm actually going to switch these. That's about that one. And now I'm just going to check out the account page, see what this looks like. Right, so some of this stuff, this is way over here because I believe the pattern we made is restricting the content, so I'm going to change that. I'm also going to fix this. This should have a little bit of padding. And then I'm just going to go back to this pattern. I think we can fix this here. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, so we'll add a group. This should fix it. Just turn that off. We should be good to go here. There we go. Now if I click this, right, it's going to take me. That page doesn't exist yet. So for the billing page, what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to duplicate this content here. Pages, add page, call this billing. The parent is going to be account. Go to the code editor, paste that in, and then I'm going to delete all this stuff. Okay. Add a group, and I'm going to add a shortcode. And this is part of the Rogue WP Payments plugin. So I'm just going to add that in there. And this might need a little bit of work, but we'll see. We'll see what it looks like here. This should work now. Right, and then you have just your Rogue WP Payments, shortcode here. We go here. Let's see. Continue watching. Yeah, some of these anchor tags need to be tweaked, but basically it's just so you can. If there was a bunch more videos here, you'd be able to scroll immediately to that page or that section of the page. Oh, and one thing I realized, I see we're getting the same videos, and that's because I did not change this to continue watching. There. Now I probably won't get anything because I haven't actually watched any videos. Yeah, so there's nothing I'm currently watching. Otherwise, they would show up here. And that's how you can quickly set up just a basic account page.